everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about my 9-week pregnancy update, and I just want to say that the lighting I'm using is from a sunroof. So if it's making me look all shadowy and all weird and stuff, it's because of that. So as you can see, I have boxes right here, so it's going to be a update as well as a haul as well as an unboxing. So let's get started. Today I am 9 weeks and 4 days pregnant. The babies are the size of olives, and I know I'm supposed to be doing these videos like at the beginning of every week, and I turn a new week on every Tuesday, but I'm doing this video on a Saturday, so yes, I am late. So first thing I am going to be unboxing while I talk is this huge box right here. So a clothing company sent me some clothes. The clothing company is called Laura's Boutique. They were super nice. They reached out to me. They're like, hey, we want to send you clothes, and I'm like, yes, thank you. Like, nothing fits me right now, like I'm pregnant. And they're like, oh my god, yes girl, we got you. So they sent me a box. Now the clothes that you're gonna see is not maternity clothes. Laura's Boutique is like a Fashion Nova, like, you know, those type of clothes, but I'm assuming they sent me dresses and like flowy tops and stuff that my belly can grow into. Okay, so while I open the box, let me tell you guys, like a week and a half ago I had no symptoms at all. Like all of my symptoms went away. My nausea, like every single thing. I wasn't getting up at night to go to the bathroom anymore. I wasn't as hungry. I wasn't tired. Like I was just like normal. But ever since I turned 9 weeks pregnant, all of my symptoms came back. So I've been having nausea, not as strong as it was before. I have a lot, and guys, when I say a lot, I mean like to the point where my life is just this. I'm literally burping all the time. I don't know what's going on with my stomach, that it's producing a lot of like gas, and it's coming out of my mouth and it's coming out of my butt, so like I'm always farting. Sorry, Lewis. So first thing in this box is a card, and it says,
Brancy, we are so happy to be sending you clothes. Thank you so much for the support. XO Laura's Boutique.
This is what the inside of the box looks like. But what was I saying? Oh, so yeah, as I was saying, like at night when I'm laying down, I have to sit up. Like I'll be like this, and then I have to go like this, and then I just burp. I've just been having that, and I'm always tired. Like I take a nap every single day. Guys, I can't tell you the last time, like before I got pregnant, I would never take naps. Not even like never. Like not even when Penelope would take a nap, I would not take a nap. Like naps were non-existent in my life. I would rather do something productive, but now like naps are everything for me. First thing that I see in here is, yes girl, yes. So they said, ooh, it's a matching, so it's a matching set. You have the pants, and I love this color, especially now for the summer. And it has this like little crop top. Now, unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to wear the crop top just because my belly is getting big. But the pants I am definitely going to wear, maybe with like a white bodysuit, and like it's gonna be tucked in. Next thing, oh my god, yes. Yes, Laura's Boutique, yes. This is the type of stuff I need to be wearing in my pregnancy. It's cute, it's red. People are gonna see the bump in the front and in the back, if you know what I mean. Yes, another dress. So this is like a little spaghetti strap dress. It's tight, perfect. Thank you, Laura's Boutique. They were hooking me up. And speaking about clothes, another really weird symptom that I have is that whenever I think about shopping, whenever I think about clothes, whenever I think about going out, it gets me so nauseous. Like it's the weirdest thing ever. I think because I did it so much when I wasn't pregnant, now I'm just like so over it that when I think about it, I just like So this next one, oh my god, guys, tell me this isn't the cutest thing ever. It's off the shoulder, short sleeve tops, plaid for the summer. So this one's an off the shoulder romper. This is a skirt. It has a little tie here. Like all of this clothes is perfect for summer. And then this is like a little flowy top, and I think I am gonna be able to wear this. It goes like right on my belly button, and then this seems like it'd be a little high-waisted, so definitely gonna be able to wear that. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this, guys. And then we have two spaghetti strap tank tops, one in black and one in white. This is the cutest bathing suit ever. Like when it comes to bathing suits, I will show my belly off. I don't care if they think I'm bloated or I am constipated. I don't know what the case is. I am wearing this. Like look how cute this is, and this is my favorite color for clothes. Like look at this. Look at that, guys. I'm definitely wearing this and taking the cutest and sexiest pregnancy baby bump pictures. This video is not sponsored at all, by the way. It's just something super kind that they did for me. I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful. So if you guys want to check out their website or want to get anything that I just showed you, I'm going to have their link down below in the description. So now let's get into some like pregnancy related things, and I'm going to show you guys a couple of products that I've been loving that I'm about to try and a product that I hate. We're gonna start with a product that I've been loving, and it is this massage lotion from the brand Shea Moisture. So I've been using this product, and obviously I can't tell if it's working yet because my belly is not in the stage where it's going to start getting stretch marks, but I can tell you that I'm a huge fan of the brand Shea Moisture. I use that for Penelope, I use that for myself, for Lewis. Like I love it. The reason I love it is because it's such a natural product. Like it has no parabens, no paraffin, no mineral oil, no fragrance, no color, no DEA, no sulfates, no animal testing, no silicones. It's just a super natural product, and when you're pregnant you want to be really cautious about the type of things you put on your skin, just because everything that you put on your skin, from lotion to makeup, gets absorbed into your skin, and there's been like studies and research and all this stuff saying that like it can affect your baby. So this body lotion right here hydrates, protects, and improves elasticity. And I was watching a YouTuber mom who had twins, just like I'm gonna have twins, and of course when you have twins your belly's gonna get even bigger than just somebody who's gonna have one baby. So she said that she used this her entire pregnancy and she barely got a stretch mark, and I'm gonna have it linked down below for you guys to check it out. The next product that I hate are these prenatals right here from the brand Ollie. It is the Essential Prenatal Multi, a blend of vitamin A, C, D, E, and B's, folic acid, and omega-3s in the flavor Vibrant Citrus. And that is why I hate it. Like, guys, it is the worst tasting prenatal gummy I've ever tasted in my life, and it smells disgusting too. Think about a citrus berry super alcoholic drink. Like somebody hands you an alcoholic drink, it's like 1% citrus flavor and like 99% alcohol. Like that is what it smells like. It smells like citrusy alcohol. And a product I picked up today was these prenatal pills. Ever since trying these, I've just been scarred on ever wanting to try prenatal gummies. So I picked up these soft gel prenatals. Now I've been having the hardest time ever when it comes to swallowing prenatals, like when it comes to soft gels. And if you guys don't know what soft gels are, they're just like the little smooth shiny ones that have like liquid inside. I can take those perfectly fine, but if they're like regular pills, I cannot. Like I just cannot for the life of me. I start gagging and I feel like puking, and it's just the worst. So I decided to get the prenatals in soft gels. So the second box that I got is from a company called Luli Bebe. This company right here is a baby company. They sell everything baby related, and a really long time ago they had sent me a diaper bag, and Penelope didn't need one anymore, so I just never used it. And then they reached out to me again. They're like,
hey, can we send you something again?
I'm like, yeah, of course. So that is what they sent me. They sent me a diaper bag. Now when I have the twins, I can already tell that the diaper bag is going to be very messy and dirty really quick. So I want to be able to like switch diaper bags while the other one's getting cleaned. And if I'm wearing like a green dress like this, I want to wear something that matches, you know. I don't want to wear like a pink diaper bag. So personally, I'm going to have like a couple of diaper bags, and this is one of the diaper bags that they sent me. This is what the diaper bag looks like, and it is a backpack. They had a bunch of other colors and they let me choose, and I chose the beige one because it matches with everything. As you can see, like it would look cute with this outfit. So you open it up and it comes with a oh my god, I haven't had a baby in a long time. Changing pad. Comes with a changing pad. It comes with 2 straps, so I'm assuming these are the ones if you want to put it on your stroller, like the handle of the stroller. And then it comes with a strap, a long strap, if you want to do like a crossbody bag type thing. And the inside is like the silk, and it has compartments for your bottles. And then the front has this little pocket right here, so I'd probably use this one for my personal things like my wallet, my phone, car keys. And if you guys want a discount on a diaper bag, and I'm not sure if it's just diaper bags or like the whole store, then you guys can use the code BRAMT. It's just my name in all capital letters, and you guys get a discount. Okay, so I just have one more thing to show you guys in this haul, and I got it today. I've been wanting it for the longest time ever. The more your belly grows and the more you're more and more pregnant and all the symptoms start coming in, it gets harder for you to sleep at night. And something that helps me sleep better throughout the night is if I have a pillow between my legs. I've been really wanting a pregnancy pillow. It's called Snuggle, as you can see right here, Snuggle. And I'm gonna take it out for the first time and let's test it. So let's pretend this is my bed, right? So I'm going to bed. Here's my pillow. I'm not sure which way it goes. Oh, it goes this way. Okay. Oh, I don't even need a pillow because it comes with this side. Okay, so I'm here laying down. Oh my god, why didn't I get this sooner? Guys, honestly, I rate this a 10 out of 10. Like, I know I'm just using it the first time. It's super soft and it has a zipper too, so if you want to wash it. And it's just like so comfy. And I think it was like $65 at Bye Bye Baby. And now the last thing for me to do is show you guys my baby bump. Now I'm wearing a dress, so I'm not going to show you like my skin. I'm going to show you guys two different bumps, one flexing and one not flexing, just like chilling, you know. So the first one is going to be me flexing. So there you see. This is me flexing, guys. Completely flexing, like trying to show my abs. So as you can see, there's a bump right here, and now this is me not flexing. There you go, flexing. So yeah, that was my entire pregnancy video. Let me know what you want to see down below and I will do it for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Love you guys all so much. Bye.